Alright guys, so if you haven't figured it out, I am doing my first real wash on it. I don't want to wash the hood. I got some other stuff going on. It's been clayed and polished and there's sealants on there. I don't want to put anything on there. The rest of the car, I just finished doing a waterless wash. I did a clay on it, and now I'm going to do kind of a deep clean with some stronger shampoos. So we use touchless, which is from Bilt Hamber in here. And at about 750 milliliters of water, I added about 300 milliliters of touchless and 100 milliliters of Surface HD. That's their APC. Inside the bucket there for my hand wash, I'm going to use Bilt Hamber's Auto Wash, and I've got 10 milliliters to say about 4 gallons, what's going to be 4 gallons of water once I finish filling it up. So maybe about 20 liters of water there. And I'm just going to pre-spray the vehicle down here with the foamer. I'm trying not to do that to the hood, just the sides and that. I'll rinse that off and I'm gonna do a hand wash, all right? So that's what we're doing today because I have clayed the car and I just let it dry because I'm gonna do a big wash. I'll show you what the car looks like right now. So you can see how dirty the windshield is, and there's just dried waterless wash along the sides of it. Okay guys, so after doing the first just spray and rinse with some highly powerful chemicals, I find that this car has protection all around the sides. So I didn't think it would have protection on it, but it does, and interesting there. So anyway, I'm going to show you the hood. I'm running a test, so I'm just going to rinse the hood and I'll show you what that looks like right now. So very interesting because I just applied some products to it yesterday and I can see some of them are very hydrophobic, some are not as hydrophobic, and this is one day in. So sneak peek. All right, guys, so we just did a little first basic maintenance on the vehicle. I don't know what's been done to it before, and I'm slowly working on this vehicle. So today I wanted to go around and clay the whole car, basically the paint, the windows, and I just went around. I used my McKee's 37. This is what I used here. I used F914. This has become my new staple for just rinseless washing and cleaning power. I just love the McKee's F914. That's foaming 914. The regular 914 is fantastic, but I've fallen in love with this one. And I use this to waterless wash the whole car. Then I came back and I used it as my clay lube, and I sprayed the car and I clayed it. Here's the mitt. I used the McKee's yellow clay mitt. I like the yellow one, or the towel. It's a towel, not a mitt, because this one doesn't leak, it doesn't stain, it doesn't turn the water yellow. Some of the colored towels turn the water red or whatever color it is. That one does a great job. Then I wanted to wash the car because I just didn't wipe the wetness from the clay off, so I wanted to wash the whole thing. I let the clay and the lube dry on there, and I pushed it out, and I mixed in a foam cannon, Surfix, HD, and touchless, 1 to 3, and then I put about 400 milliliters in this combined solution here into about 750 milliliters of water. That was my foam cannon spray. That was the foam, the breaker upper, the sit on there, and then I just let that sit for about 3 or 4 minutes. It's not real hot today. It's probably 83 degrees right now. And I let it sit, and then I rinsed that off, and then I came back with the Bilt Hamber Auto Wash. This is I use 10 milliliters to about 4 gallons of water in the hand wash, and then I hand wash it all, and I rinse it off, and I dried it. That's it. I'm not putting anything on that paint. Sooner or later I'm going to get to paint correcting the sides, so I don't want anything on there. I did see that it has protection, so that's fine. Let's let it run with that, and we'll sit with the protection we have on there until I start polishing panels and taking that protection off. Today I didn't touch the hood. I just did a little rinse because I have a 7 chemical test sealants and detail sprays that I'm doing there, and you guys can follow along with that with the videos, but I didn't do anything. I just rinsed that, and that's looking okay as well. So guys, Bilt Hamber today for the wash, McKee's 37 for the waterless wash, and the clay lube, as well as the McKee's 37 clay towel. Thanks for watching. Any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll leave links to what I can in the description below. If not, just Google the supplies. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.